Where the hell is my car? I don't even know. Y'all take me there though? Wait, hold on, I think I see. Damn, that bitch is far. That's a perfect example of why you don't play in traffic. Okay, where are we getting back around to? Oh, bro, legendary? Alright, actually no, you're on the way to Beekers, right? No, nigga, I'll fall back over there. I'm still on the highway where we made that, the interview highway. I guess I'll just look around and get your Beekers. Where are you now? I got no headlights. Oh, there we go.
Eventually.
Which way you go? Left or right? Right. We're going to Berkeley's, right? Yeah, but I don't know which way you're going to go. It's mysterious. Hey, you're right. We're going back the other way. Yeah, I don't know my way around like you. Damn, I see you spit up that got closed. He said, bro, your headlights are so goddamn bright. Oh, what the fuck? I got rear-ended by the AI. You saw that? Yeah. Damn! Dude, what are you doing? I'm being impatient, that's what I'm doing. I can tell. And then immaculate as a result. The desperation kicking in. Not even, that was frustration driving right there, straight up. Oh my god. What happened to you? I couldn't see. I couldn't see you driving. Dark as shit. Okay, well, my headlights are still working. That's good. I can't even see out the fucking, there is no rear view to see out of. You look behind me. Yeah, I tried, this car has no rear view. I knew that, but it didn't really settle in until I tried to use it. Ooh, I can't, shit. Bro, I'm developing like a whole new level of this because of this. I probably will too if I turn my home light out. Shit, I see that motherfucker. Gotta ride with a 40 at least. You and Mike should leave it with me. But you pushing those levels to peak. I came on the soul like a motherfucker. I got my money up. I keep all 3 of my bitches on fleek. Always stay geeked if I ran into bed, but I never get high on the shit that I bleed. If I produce it, I'll take all this. Oh, how do I end up on the other side of the fucking road? Big Mac. That's how I just like that.